to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little Kirby plush. I called it Kirby stress ball because it looks exactly like a little pink ball and it feels so great to just squeeze it. This is a no-sew version. That means you can just crochet and it comes this little cute ball. Let's start crochet. Let's start by making a magic ring of 8. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put a stitch marker at the end. For marking, pull this tail tight, and your magic ring is done. All two, it will be 8 increase. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Row 2 is complete. Now for row 3, it will be single crochet increase and repeat it 8 times. Single increase. Single increase. Now for round 4 and round 5, it will be single crochet throughout the rounds. It will be a total of 24 single crochet. Now for round 6, let's start by making 5 single crochet. After that, let's make a bubble stitch. And repeat. Okay, another one. Once you have 3 stitches on the crochet hook, pull, and the bubble stitch is complete. Continue making 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make another bubble crochet. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull. The 2 hand is done. And continue single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 10, 11. For row 7 and 8, it will be single crochet throughout the rounds. For round 9, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'Let's make a color change over here. 5. Now let's make a bubble stitch, and this will be the leg for the Kirby plush. Yarn over, hide the pink yarn over the hook, and pull. We're going to make 6 stitches. got 7 stitches on the hook, pull over. Continue with 6 single crochet. One, 2. We're going to hide the dark pink underneath. 3, 4, 5, and change color and pull. Make another bubble stitch. All the 7 stitches. Okay, and finish the round with 11 single crochet. Insert. One, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11. For round 10, make 12 decreases. Two, 10, 11, and 12. Leave a long tail for sewing. Let's start stuffing the plushie. Try giving it a squeeze to see if you like the hardness of it. I like mine to be a little bit on the softer side. To close this loop, going to thread it around. Now it's time to make the face, and I'm going to use felt for this.